Hey designers, I have something for you. I have been working on this for a while and it's finally live. Introducing ProColors. ProColors is a Figma plugin for designers who want clean, consistent color systems without spending hours building them. It generates full shade scales, semantic palettes, gradients, and accessibility heat maps. It also creates Figma styles and variable tokens and exports everything in the formats your team needs. Let me show you how it works. If you build UI every day, you know how much time color work takes. Creating shade scales, checking contrast, updating styles, exporting tokens. It adds up fast. With ProColors, you start with your base colors from here. You can input your base colors from color selector, or you can generate the color from the color wheel here, where you can select the harmony role to monochromatic, analogs, complementary, etc. So when you finish inputting your colors, then the plugin builds the full shade system from 50 to 950 all automatically, or you can also add or remove the color shades as well. You also get real-time contrast checkers, a color blindness simulator, and a full contrast heat map, so you can fix issues before you design anything. You also get gradients, extracting colors from images or from URLs, multi-brand supports, and a token transfer tool. Everything you need to build consistent color system. When you are done with your colors, you can export all the colors to JSON, CSS variables, tailwind config, or anything you'd like. As well as you can add the colors to your variable collection by creating a new variable collection. As you can see, the colors have been added to the variable. Also, you can add the colors to the style panel as well. So here you can see. Apart from that, you can also place all the color palettes inside your Figma canvas. So if you click here, you can see the full color palette has been added to the Figma canvas. ProColors is simple, fast, and built for real workflows. If you want to try it, it's live now on Figma Community. I will put the link in the comment below.